Hi guys, so I created this pop of color fall makeup look using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. So I just really liked the idea of an all matte lid with a pop of color in the bottom lash line. So yeah, this is just an all matte lid with some yellows and some red tones. And then I applied this purple pop of color to my bottom lash line. And yeah, I really dig this look. It's like super out of my comfort zone, which I like. So yeah, we'll jump right into the tutorial. First, I'm gonna go with the shade Silk Cream on a Colourpop E15. Blend this right into my crease area. And next, I'm going to take a Morphe M514. I'm going to go with the shade Pukey. Blend this into my crease area. Smaller crease brush, I'm going to take the shade Roxanne, which is right below that. And I'm going to blend that into the crease. Keeping it focused more on the outer crease than the inner crease. And then I'm actually going to bring that down to the outer V. So I'm going to take my finger, shade Cream Sickle. I'm just going to touch that into the inner half of my eyelid. Go back in with Roxanne and just kind of blend those two together. Small Colourpop 111. Work. That beautiful royal blue. Apply that to my bottom lash line. gonna blend out a little bit so it's not so harsh. And I'm gonna go with the Kat Von D eyeliner pencil. I'm gonna bring the shade toward I'm just gonna apply some mascara to my bottom eyelashes. I'm gonna apply a thin coat to my top lashes. Ardell 854 Box Mink lashes. So now my lashes are on, and I'm gonna highlight in light on a small Colourpop E20. I love this inner corner highlight, it's so blinding.